today you are coming with us on a road trip to Matakana. We are going to visit the Matakana market and a whole lot of beaches. So we hope you enjoy the first weekend of summer weather with us here in Auckland. After an hour's drive from Auckland City, we arrived at the Matakana Christmas market. It's Sunday today, so it's a special Christmas market and we haven't been here before. We're so excited to go check it out. I think it's that way. Let's go. People have always recommended to us to come early to this market. I think we took that very literal because we're super early now and they're still setting up their stalls.
But it's fun because we have a parking and we're going to find some coffee and then we'll check out the market.
We saw there is a coffee shop. Unfortunately, it's closed. We're going to head back to the market. Hopefully the coffee stall is open. We need coffee because we got up at like 5:30 this morning.
Chantal finally has her coffee and now she is in a better mood, so we can actually go into the market.
Cheers.
Morning cheers.
Cheers, worth waiting for.
So not every place takes PayWave, but you can do bank transfers or bring cash, but doing a bank transfer is pretty easy. So.
We saw a little stall with fudge, so we had to get some Russian fudge. $5 for the pack. It's so good. We had tasters.
Yum.
Might have to go back.
I need breakfast first and then pudding. Yeah, that's fine. We got ourselves a Korean pancake. It's called a hotjok. And it comes in a cup because it's meant to be eaten on the streets of Korea. It's full of chocolate. We're quite excited, from a place called Omaha pancake. Ooh, got like a fat cook type of taste, so like sweet fried bread.
We're very happy that we came early here because now it's full of people.
It's a vibe. We really love these the long kind of gravel road with all the stalls on because it's covered by the trees.
Yeah, this venue is really cool for a market. Second stop, Matakana village. We're gonna walk around here and just explore because we've never been here before. We came down to where the river is and you can actually spot some eels down here. Mom is staying away because she doesn't like these kinds of things. She's up there and the eels are down here. We need this to swim in the sea here in New Zealand.
Wim Hof.
Hot chocolate in an edible cup. So I've seen this on social media. It is hot chocolate in an edible cup with a chocolate marshmallow from Honest Chocolate in the Matakana village. I've been looking forward to this all morning. It's amazing. Because it's Sunday, it seems like a few of the places are only going to open a bit later. So we've walked around quite a bit. It's such a cute little town, but it's time to go to the next place. We wanted to come to a blueberry farm for some fresh berry ice cream. They're actually open at 12.
Wow. Third stop, Omaha Beach. Let's go. Stop it.
This beach is amazing. White sand, blue water, and it's so big. This is our fourth stop for the day.
We are at Tawharanui Regional Park. It's just beaches and little islands out there. The views are incredible to get here. We found a viewpoint. It's about a 5-minute walk from the parking lot and the views look incredible. You got changed to swim, so which means you have to swim. Do you understand?
Here we go again.
What's the point of getting changed into your costume?
Craig's always making me get into cold water.
I feel like
I need to go to the Wim Hof workshop in Matakana.
Go for it. Lovely.
Come on. I'm in here because the water is so clear. When the sun comes out, I can see the sand at the bottom.
New Zealand water, this is actually not too bad.
Now that we've been in the water for a while, it's actually quite nice because my skin is basically numb. I don't feel the cold. It's so nice to be able to swim again and have kind of warm weather to be in the water. We've missed this. I want to go back down to the beach now because it's low tide and the sun is out. We have left Matakana completely. We were heading back to Auckland and then we decided to stop in Orewa for lunch. Orewa. We chose a really nice place with a stunning view and it really feels like summer right now.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you.
Do you have tomato sauce?
Yeah, I'll get you some.
100, thanks man.
Lunch was amazing here at this restaurant, but we're not done yet. We want to go down to the beach and just have a look around there.
Let's do it.
One more thing, and then we'll go home.
Okay. Welcome to Orewa Beach.
And this is the Moana Reserve. This place is so beautiful. It's got holiday vibes, like a real holiday town. Oh. I don't know if I'm just getting really hot, but the water isn't that cold actually, and it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
We are ending our day off here in Orewa. If you ever want to do something less than an hour trip from Auckland, we highly recommend going to these places we've shown you in this video. It's been fantastic. The weather's great. Summer's here. Thank you, Auckland. Thank you, New Zealand.
See you in the next one. Bye. I think we're gonna no. Yes.
Okay. By the amount of people not swimming, I'm worried that it's really cold. We are at Tawharanui Regional Park.
Tawharanui?
Tawharanui. We are at Tawharanui. looking for my chili sauce.